Hello everyone, welcome. Now this fifth question, find the values of k for which each of the following quadratic equation has equal root. Okay, we have to find the value of k for which this quadratic equation has equal root. Now we know the condition that for equal roots b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So here we can say that we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, when we compare we get a equal to 1, b equal to 4k and c is equals to k square minus k plus 2. And for equal roots, the condition is b square minus 4ac is 0. Okay, so therefore we can say that 4k, b is 4k square minus 4 into, here in bracket we have k square minus k plus 2, this is equals to 0. So therefore now this is 4 4s are 16, this is 16k square minus, we open the bracket, we will get 4k square plus 4k minus 8 is equals to 0. So therefore here it is 16k square minus 4k square is 12k square. So I will write 12k square plus 4k minus 8 is equals to 0. Now you can take 4 common. So therefore we take 4 common. So once we take 4 common, we will get 4 3s are 3k square plus k minus 2 is equals to 0. So therefore I have 3k square plus k minus 2 is equals to 0. So 3 2s are 6. I will say that therefore k is equals to, now we know for quadratic equation k is minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus root of b square, that is 1 square, minus 4 into 3 into minus 2, and this whole divided by 2 into 3. So therefore finally we get k equal to minus 1 plus or minus, this is 1 plus 4 to the 8 and 8 3 the 24, and the whole divided by 3 to the 6. So this is minus 1 plus or minus, this is root 25 and whole divided by 6. So therefore the value of k, we will say that the value of k is minus 1 plus or minus 5 divided by 6. Okay, let us create some space for the answer. Okay, so k is minus 1 plus or minus 5 divided by 6. So that is, therefore we can say that k is equals to minus 1 plus 5 upon 6, or we will say that k is equals to minus 1 minus 5 upon 6. So therefore the value of k is, it is 4 upon 6, or the value of k is minus 6 upon 6. So finally you can say that therefore k is 2 upon 3, or k is minus 1. So the value of k we got it, right? Okay. The next question is k minus 4 into x square plus 2 into k minus 4 into x plus 4 equal to 0. So we have to find the value of k for which this equation has equal root. So again here we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get value of a as k minus 4, value of b as 2 into k minus 4, and value of c as 4. Okay. Now we have condition that for equal roots for equal roots we have condition that b square minus 4ac is 0. So b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore for b we have 2 times k minus 4. So this is b square minus 4. The value of a is k minus 4 into c is 4. Okay. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So therefore this is 2 to the 4, and here k minus 4 the whole square is k square minus 8k plus 4 4 the 16 minus this is 4 4 the 16. So 16 multiplied by k is 16k, and this minus minus it is plus 4 4 the 16 for the 64, and this is equals to 0. Okay, so therefore now I have 4k square minus 4 at the 32k plus 16 for the 64 minus 16k plus 64 equal to 0. So therefore we have 4k square. Now this is 3 plus 1 4, and this is 6 minus 46. So minus 46k plus 128 is equals to 0. Now 4 we cannot take common, 2 we can take common. Okay, so let us take 2 common. So here I have 2k square minus this is 23k plus 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are plus 64 is equals to 0. So therefore finally we can say that 2k square minus 23k plus 64 is equals to 0. So either we factorize or we use the formula method to solve this problem. Let us first check. I think by factorization so we cannot find out. By factorization it is difficult because we have to then see two factors whose sum is going to be 23, and here 64 has only 2 as a factor. So all even numbers, so their addition we cannot say that it is minus 23. So here I will say that therefore the value of k is minus b, that is 23, plus or minus root of b square, that is 23 square, minus 4 into 2 into this is 64, and whole divided by 2 into 2. So therefore k is equals to, this is 23 plus or minus this is root of, now 23 square is 500 and okay, 23 square 529, right, 529. So this is 529, then this is minus 4 to the 8 into 64, it is 512, and then whole divided by 2 to the 4. So we will get k equal to 23 plus or minus, now 9 minus 2 is 7, 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is 17, okay, upon 4. So therefore finally we say that k is equals to 23 plus root 17 upon 4, or k is equals to 23 minus root 17 upon 4. Okay, now until and unless they ask answer in decimal, it is not necessary that we convert it in decimal, right? We can keep the answer like this. Now sixth problem, find the value of m for which each of the following quadratic equation has real and equal root. Again the problem is of the same category. Here the roots are real and equal. So again we can compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a value of a as 3m plus 1, value of b as 2 into m plus 1, and value of c as m. So we got the value of a, b and c. Now once we compare, then what, as here roots are equal, so as we can say that as roots are real and equal, as roots are real and equal, what we can say that, as roots are real and equal, we can say that b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now b square minus 4ac is 0, therefore it gives us 2 into m plus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 3m plus 1 into c is m. This is equals to 0. So b square minus 4ac, this is 0. So therefore now I can say that 2 to the 4. 4 into this is m square plus 2m plus 1 minus here 4 3 the 12m minus again this is m square, na? So I will say that 4 3 the 12m minus 4, this is multiplied, okay, sorry, what we should do, we should multiply these two brackets first. So it is minus 4, I will say minus 4, and then this is 3m square plus m, this is equals to 0. So therefore now here I have 4m square plus 4 to the 8m plus 4 minus 4 3 the 12m square minus 4m is equals to 0. So 4m square minus 12m square is minus 8m square plus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. So let us take minus 4 common. So here we have 2m square minus m minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore it gives me 2m square minus m minus 1 equal to 0. So here I will say that therefore m is equals to, it is plus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c, and this whole divided by 2 into 2. So therefore the value of m is equals to 1 plus or minus, this is root of 4 to the 8. So this is 1 plus 8, and this is 2 to the 4. So therefore finally we have, therefore m is equals to 1 plus or minus, this is root 9 divided by 4, that is m is equals to 1 plus or minus 3 upon 4. So this gives me therefore the value of m as 1 plus 3 upon 4, or value of m as 1 minus 3 upon 4. So therefore you have m is equals to 4 upon 4, that is 1, or m is equals to minus 2 upon 4, that is minus 1 upon 2. So this is the value of m. Yes, the second problem is also in the same manner you can solve. So always actually you must solve the problem first by yourself, and then you should see what solution I have done, right? Now in the second question, I think you can do it, right? So first try and then you see the answer, right? Again the same thing, what we do, we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I get a is equals to 1, I get b is equals to 2 into m minus 1, and I get c is equals to m plus 5. Okay, then as roots are real and equal, so as roots are real and equal, what I get? I get b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So this will give me 2 into m minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into this is m plus 5. This is equals to 0. So therefore, here we have 2 to the 4 and then it is m square minus 2m plus 1 minus here it is 4m minus 4 5 the 20 is equals to 0. So therefore, we can say that this is 4m square minus 8m plus 4 minus 4m minus 20 is equals to 0. So therefore, now for m square we have 4m square minus 12m minus it is 16 is equals to 0. So therefore, we can take 4 common and now here we have m square minus 3m minus 4 is equals to 0. So therefore, this will give me m square minus 3m minus 4 is 0. Okay. So now you can solve this by factorization or you can use the formula method. So therefore, you can say that by using formula m is equals to 3 plus minus root of b square, that is 9, minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 and whole divided by 2 into 1. So therefore, it will give you m is equals to 3 plus minus, now it is 9 plus 16 and 9 plus 16 is 25, right? So therefore, we will say that m is equals to 3 plus or minus, this is square root of 25 is 5 and whole divided by 25. So therefore, we have m is equals to 3 plus 5 divided by 25 or we have m is equals to 3 minus 5 divided by 25. Okay. So therefore, I can say that therefore m is equals to 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 upon 25 or we have m is equals to minus 2 upon 25. So this is the value of m. M is 8 upon 25 or minus 2 upon 25. But wait, some mistake. Okay, some mistake we have done. Here it is 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, why I am writing 25? It is 2. Yes. So I will say that this is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and here it is minus 1. So value of m is 4 or minus 1, right? Now the seventh problem, find the value of k for which each of the following quadratic equation has equal root. Also find the root for these values of the k in each case. So two problem again we have, one problem I have written. Here again I have to find value of k when we know that roots are equal and then I have to use that value of k and find out what is the root. Okay. So let us say first write problem 9x square plus kx plus 1 equal to 0. Now we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when we compare, we get value of a. So therefore, I will say that a is equals to 9, b is equals to k and c is equals to 1. So when I compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, I get a, b and c. Now as what we say, as we say that as roots are real and equal. As roots are real and equal, we have b square minus 4ac, this is equals to 0. So therefore, it gives me k square minus 4, a is 9 and c is 1 is equals to 0. So this gives us k square minus 36 is 0 So therefore it gives us k square is equals to 36. This gives us k is equals to plus or minus 6. So value of k is plus 6 or minus 6. This is the value of k. Now I got the value of k. So I will say that k, therefore the quadratic equation is now quadratic equation is 9x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay, so 9x square quadratic equation is 9x square plus 6x plus 1, or it is 9x square minus 6x plus 1. Okay, so therefore the value of x will be minus 6 plus or minus root of b square, that is 36 minus 4 into 9 into 1 upon 2 into 9, or we have the value of x as minus minus, it is plus 6 plus root of this is 36 minus 4 into 9 into 1. Okay, now as you know that how we got the value of k, by considering that roots are real and equal. So when we say that roots are real and equal, that means this b square minus 4ac value will be 0. So here also this you are getting 36 minus 36 as 0. So here x is minus 6 upon 9 to the 18, or the value of x we get as 6 upon 9 to the 18. Okay, so therefore the value of x is minus 3 upon 2 3s are and 2 9s are, or 6 3s are, direct 6 3s are 18, right? 6 3s are 18. So you can say that this is 1 upon 3, or you can say that x is equals to plus 1 upon 3. Okay, so the value of x is minus 1 upon 3, or it is plus 1 upon 3. Yes. Now this is the next question. Here also we have to find the value of k for which roots are real and equal, and then we have to find its roots. So what we do, we will compare this equation, compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2k, and c as 7k minus 12. So as what is given, as roots are real and equal, we say that b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So therefore b square means this is minus 2k, b square minus 4 into a into c is 7k minus 12, b square minus 4ac, this is equals to 0. So therefore here it is 4k square minus, here it is 4 7s are 28k, and this is plus 48, and this is equals to 0. Now I can take 4 common. So here we have k square minus 7k plus 12 is equals to 0. So here what we will say that, therefore we will say that k square minus 7k plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, so therefore the value of k by formula method, it will be 7 plus minus root of 49 minus 12 for the 48 divided by 2 into 1. So the value of k we get 7 plus minus this is 1 upon 2, that is we can say that k is equals to 7 plus 1 8, 8 divided by 2, or we can say that k is equals to 7 minus 1 divided by 2. So k is equals to 4, or you will get k is equals to 6 upon 2, that is 3. Now I have to use this value of k and find the roots. Okay, so this is our equation. So let us take here. Our equation is x square minus 2kx plus 7k minus 12. So when k is 4 or k is 3, the equation become what will be the equation now? X square minus, in place of k we are writing 4, so 4 to the 8, so it is 8x, and then 4 7 the 28 minus 12 plus 28 minus 12 is 0, or we have x square. Now we put 3, so 3 to the 6 minus 6x plus 7 3 the 21 minus 12. This is equal to 0. So that is, we can say that x square minus 8x plus, now 8 minus 2 is 6 and 2 minus 1 is 1, so plus 16 is 0, or we will get equation like x square minus 6x, 11 minus 2 9, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so plus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore we have x square minus 8x plus 16 is 0, so therefore x is equals to, or easily you can see that as your what we can say, that roots are equal, that means you can write this in quadratic form, right? You can write in quadratic form. You can also say that therefore this is actually x minus, this is x minus 4 the whole square. X minus 4 the whole square is 0, right? Now this 16, it is square of 4, and this middle term is minus, so I will write x minus 4. If you expand, you will get the same thing. Similarly here you will say that it is x minus 3 the whole square is equals to 0. So this will give you x is equals to 4, or you get x is equals to 3. So x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 3 is our required answer, right? Okay, so this is second question. So let us stop here. Okay, we will see in you next class with some more problems. Thank you.